Hello everyone, today I'm gonna make for you chicken marsala served with pasta, and we're gonna need, I'm gonna say the ingredient. I'm gonna use filet chicken breast. It's cut in half, thin sliced. I have 5 pieces. We're gonna pound it here between parchment paper, make it thin. Then I'm gonna season it with lemon pepper, black pepper and salt. I already mixed them here. We're gonna need half onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 cups of sliced mushroom, some flour to coat each side of the chicken with it, and we're gonna cook it with cooking Marsala wine. We're gonna need 1 can of chicken broth, and I'll serve it with angel hair pasta. So I'm gonna start with pounding the chicken here. I'll put each slice and pound it. Then I'm gonna season it and sprinkle it with the flour. Then we're gonna fry it with butter and some olive oil. Then I'm gonna show you how it is when I'm done. Thank you. So I melted my butter and olive oil, I mix it with it. I'm gonna fry each piece of a chicken on both sides until it's golden brown. After we're done frying the chicken, I'm gonna take it out of the pan, place it in a plate. Then I'm gonna saute the garlic and the onion with the same butter and olive oil. Then we're gonna add the chicken broth and the Marsala wine and the onions. Stay tuned until the chicken is cooked. I'll show you how it looks like. Now I'm gonna add the onions and let it cook for a little bit. Let it take all the juice and the flour came out of the chicken. Then I'm gonna add the garlic and saute it also. After I saute the garlic, I'm gonna add whatever dropped here, flour with the seasoning from the chicken to the sauce. It will make thicken the sauce. Add now the chicken broth and the wine. I'm gonna add around a cup of wine. And the chicken. I'm gonna leave it to simmer. The sauce will thicken. I'm gonna add also the mushrooms now and leave everything cooks. when the sauce starts to thicken, I'm gonna add the chicken to finish cooking with all the sauce and the mushroom and the wine. It will take the flavor and make the sauce thicken up some more. I added chicken to the sauce and I'm gonna leave it to simmer so the chicken will finish cooking and the sauce will thicken some more. My pasta is ready. I'm gonna serve it like this next to angel hair pasta. We drizzle some of the mushroom and the sauce. As you can see how the sauce thicken up a little bit. And of course, who's gonna try it? My friend Corey. Let's garnish it with some parsley. There you go. Your dish is ready.
I can't wait.
Bon appetit. Hope you like it.
Thank you.